Good morning. Hello, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening to everyone, depending on where you are in the world. It is my pleasure to welcome you to the 2024 International Systems Thinking Conference, an event that is organized by our stellar graduate students in the Systems Thinking, Modeling, and Leadership Certificate Program here at the Cornell Brooks School of Public Policy. As you may know, this year's theme for the conference is upthinking. And upthinking is just about the idea of helping everyone level up their thinking so that they can solve their problems more quickly, be more innovative, and have better outcomes in anything that they're thinking about. We are really excited about this conference. This year, we're going to bring you 20 fantastic speakers who will tell you a lot about how they've applied systems thinking and systems leadership to social policy issues and other types of systems, and you're going to hear this throughout the day. We have an impressive lineup of speakers who will share their expertise, their application, and their insights into the need for all of us to level up our thinking. You're going to hear from scientists, scholars, expert practitioners from all types of disciplines across the globe, which is exciting. And they've all really had great success applying systems concepts in their respective fields and to whatever issue that they are thinking about. We're also going to have, a lot of great panels from our students here at Cornell. They're going to talk to you a lot about how they've applied systems thinking on a wide range of important issues and current issues like current events, polarization, education, social policies, mental health, and climate and sustainability. That's only to name a few. So you're in for a good day. We do have one panel, which is going to specifically talk about systems leadership, how we use systems concepts in organizations and leadership practices. So that's exciting. And, importantly, Derek and I, as faculty here at Cornell, this is a really exciting event for us for a lot of reasons, but most importantly, because we get to highlight the work of our graduate students through this conference. They're all going to be speakers today. Many of them are also moderators. And I am sure that they will each and every one of them shine a bright light on this amazing MPA program we have here at Cornell and on the amazing human beings that they are and the impact that they're going to make on the world. So then there's also you, our audience. We have several thousands of registrants. And they are happily, and I'm happy to say, they are from almost 100 countries on 6 continents and every one of the 50 United States. This is, in fact, the largest conference on systems thinking in the world. And this year, it's the largest conference of the science of thinking, just thinking, in the world. So that is really exciting. And let me just tell you a little bit about who's in the audience. So you represent a great mix of policymakers, organizational leaders, practitioners, entrepreneurs, designers, engineers, innovators. We've got some artists and poets, scholars and scientists. All of you range from experts to novices, and we do actually have some newcomers. So I would like to welcome you all. We're excited that you're here. We know that your time is important. We're glad that you're sharing it with us today. So I guess to say that we're excited that you're here is really an understatement, but we are really excited. So without further delay, it is my pleasure to officially open the 2024 Cornell University Systems Thinking Conference, which is a raise the roof moment. Yeah. And I get the pleasure of introducing our first speaker.